Methodology, data gathering.
Result and discussion. Table 1. Show the influence of social media on consumer food and safety awareness. The respondent agree that social media provides more accessible food and safety information than traditional sources, e.g., news government agencies, 3.52. And social media platforms should regulate and fact-check food safety information more strictly. 3.52. The respondent agree that government agencies that health organizations should use social media more to spread reliable food safety information. 3.52. The respondent agree would like to receive more reliable food safety updates through social media. 3.52. The respondent agree would take action, e.g., changing food habits, avoiding certain brands based on food safety information I see on social media. 3.47. The respondent agree have encountered misinformation or take news about food safety on social media. 3.42. The respondent agree that believe social media in an effective tool for educating people about food safety. 3.36. The respondent agree that verify food and safety information from another sources before believing it. 3.31. The respondent agree that seeing the influence of social media on consumer food and safety awareness. Food safety alert on social media, e.g. food recall, contamination warning, affect my buying behavior. 3.31. The respondent agree that misinformation on social media creates unnecessary fear and panic about food safety. 3.26. The respondent agree that regularly see food safety information on social media. 3.15. The respondent agree that social media has increased my awareness of food safety practices. 3.15. The respondent agree that trust food safety information shared on social media platform. 3.10. The respondent agree that social media has influenced by discussion regarding food forecast and consumption. 3.22.